Hi there, students. To stultify, a verb. Stultifying, an adjective. Okay, if something stultifies somebody, that it prevents them from developing. It prevents somebody from developing new ideas. So the new laws introduced could stultify the industry. They are stultifying new laws. So to stultify, to cause something to lose initiative, to cause something to lose enthusiasm. Because something, particularly for people, where it's something that's tedious, something that's restrictive, it's something that obstructs, it impedes, it hampers, it thwarts, it suppresses. Okay, so to make something ineffective, to negate it, to invalidate it, to impair it. I guess alcohol stultifies the senses. Yeah, it has a dulling or an inhibiting effect on. So if something stultifies you, it makes you feel really bored because it's just so boring. Yeah, and that means you're not aware, you're not awake, you're not listening, you're not thinking. Yeah. So the traditional attitudes that stultify scientific progress. Yeah. The class was so boring. I was stultified by it. Yeah. Okay, maybe if you're a security guard and you have to sit there all night, you are stultified by the boredom of the job. Okay, so to stultify, to make something useless, to make it less effective, to reduce the capacity of. So lack of water in plants stultifies their growth. It reduces it. It stops it developing. I think restrictions and boring classes stultify the growth of children's minds. Yeah, so it's to deprive something of strength, to make it much less efficient. Okay, so for example, the efficiency of the company was stultified by all the procedures that had to be followed. Yeah, they stop it from developing as it properly should. They slow it down. And I think this is the idea of to stultify, to annul, to cripple, to deprive something of strength, to make it worthless. Yeah, these new measures stultified our efforts. Yeah, the way the bad behavior of some children in class could stultify the learning of others, to inhibit it. I think pollutants in the air and in the water and food that we consume can stultify the growth of children. Okay, can bring it down, can inhibit it, can obstruct it, can suppress it, yeah, can deaden it, yeah. Something that is boring is just so stultifying. Yeah, you're just not awake, you're not able to do anything properly. Okay, I think this is a fairly formal word. Yeah, I think I would probably give it something like 6.5 to 7. I think you could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think better in a semi-formal writing. And while we're with the formality. There's also a very old-fashioned meaning of stultify, to make somebody look stupid or absurd. But I think that's very old-fashioned and very formal. I don't think I would use it. And then as to origin, okay, this word comes from Latin, stultus, meaning stupid or foolish. Okay, so that's with the old meaning. But now to take away the strength, to take away the efficiency, to nullify, to make something less useful, to stop it developing, particularly to prevent from developing new ideas. Yeah, and then something, it was stultifyingly boring. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Stultify.